Today I'm going to walk you through my new exhaust system on my car. I went from stock 2.5 inch exhaust to 3 inch, and I also added a true X pipe in along with the Borla mufflers and the QTP electric open header switches. I've had them installed on this car for about 4 months now, and they're pretty awesome. It's gnarly. I'll give you a video of wrapping it out with the headers wide open and then with them closed. The car is very quiet compared to how you have it when they're open, but the Borla exhausts definitely have a very nice sound to them. So I definitely recommend them. The QTP electric switches seem to be really reliable. It's 6 seconds to open them, 6 seconds to close them. Now this is a car that I drive all the time. I drive all of my cars all the time. They don't just sit there. And yes, I know I play with them a bit. I wrap them out. I know it's not healthy to do what I do, but it's fun. And I don't build them to just let them sit and look pretty. I like to play with them. So if I break it, I'll fix it. I have a bunch of upgrades coming to this car very soon. So I hope you stay tuned so you can check them out. Thank you.